Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, do you have any? This means coins, money. Number two, does Bob like to? Correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The change is $2. The change is $2. Change. If you buy something with cash, the price is $3 and you give them $5, so the change is $2. Now we can make a flashcard for change. Meaning number two for change is coins. Money. When you have coins, we call this change. And number three, we also say Bob needs a change in his life to do something different. So change has three meanings. Please make a card like this. Write change up here times 3. The code N1, number 34 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. Change. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer dances every day. Jennifer dances every day. Jennifer dances every day. She moves her body freely and gracefully, sometimes with music. Now we can make a flashcard for to dance. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to dance. Down here, V1 means verb, level 1, and the number 21 out of 82. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The top one, cat. Cat and dog, same sound. Dance. Game over. You did very well today. Do you have any? Change. Yeah, means coins. And change has 3 meanings. Does Bob like to? Dance. Yes, he does. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Cable. Yeah, kind of like a thick rope made of metal. Number 2 is a person. Grandparent. Very good. Could be grandmother or grandfather. Number 3 means to make something like a building. To construct. Correct. Today is Friday, September 19th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny. If you like this video, please share.